I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing my everyday makeup drawer. So I just went ahead and I went ahead and moved all my Shop My Stash. I got it out of here, and I'm just going to do an everyday makeup drawer. And this is what we're looking at now. I'm going to go through everything that I've been using this past month and what's in here, and then we're gonna do an updated version maybe next month or in 2 months. So kind of taking a break from Shop My Stash, and we're doing this, and we're gonna see how this works, if I like it, all of that. So if you want to see what's in my everyday makeup drawer, just keep on watching. So first off, here we have the e.l.f. Halo Glow Beauty Wands. We have their contour, blush, and highlight. You guys have seen this many times on my channel, but these are so good. I love using these, even though they are pretty messy. We have their contour shade in medium tan, and this one just works so beautifully for me. Even though technically, do I use these everyday vibes? Like when I am running late for work and such? Not really. But they're just kind of in here just in case I need a cream product. I have them on hand. We also have the blush in Berry Radiant, which is also really cute. Just a nice metallic kind of pinky blush, which is beautiful. And lastly, we have their highlight here, which is stunning. This one here is in the shade Rose Quartz, which is so beautiful. Each of them comes with a nice like a sponge applicator, which I really love. They can be a little messy vibes, but I still am living for these. So these are the cream products that I have in my everyday makeup drawer. Next, we have primer, which I actually do have these two products in here, which I have been using together. For some reason or another, I just really love this combination. First off, I'll take this one here, which is the IBCCCCNDC Power Grip Primer, which is from Temu, and it has the longest name in the world, but I really have been enjoying this. It is an alleged dupe of the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. It's really good. This is the pink version. They also do have the green one on the site as well, and I really have been enjoying this throughout the month. So I'll go ahead and take this first. It's me a nice grippiness to the skin before I go in with my other primer. So I just go ahead and throw that on, and then I'll take the Be Pure Essentially Ageless Blur Face Primer next. And this one does give me a little bit of a white cast. We really do have to blend it in really quickly before the Power Grip one dries, because it does tend to stick to it, but it's really good. And this one is from the Dollar Tree, so I really enjoy both of these primers. For foundation, I have been reaching for this nonstop. As you can tell, some of these products are almost out, like the primer itself, the foundation, a lot of these products are going to be almost out of here, so I'm really excited to get them out into my empties, and then we're going to do a massive empties at the end of this year, but I'm really excited about that. So I love using up my products so they're not just sitting there. And as you can tell, I really love e.l.f. and I have quite a few e.l.f. products in here. So we have the e.l.f. Camo CC cream in the shade medium 330W, and this is what I know is going to make my skin look flawless, and this is what I reach for all the time. So basically all the products in here are products that I trust, that I know are going to keep my makeup on, and I'm going to look amazing throughout the day. So this is one of them that I definitely have been reaching for a lot. For concealer, we have the LA Colors Ultimate Cover Concealer, also another amazing product. So let me go ahead and swatch it. I use the shade Natural, and I just feel like it just works out so well. Also feels like it's almost out of here, so I'm glad again to be using my products. It's just also been in my collection for a long time, so love that I'm getting a lot of use out of that product. And talk about face palettes. I do have two of them in here. The reason that I have face palettes and not individual powder products in my everyday makeup drawer, because these are quicker and easy to throw on, especially when I am running late. I need something to throw on quickly and something that's effortless. I go for these face palettes that comes with a nice like trio of a bronzer, highlight, and blush. So first off, we have their Smashbox Halo Face Palette. This is called their Sculpt and Glow Face Palette in Back to Cali. I did recently film a everyday makeup routine, which also did include a lot of these products in there. So we do have this one again in Back to Cali, where you get a highlight, 2 blushes, and a bronzer, and this just works amazing. It also does come with a mirror. So good. So I just kind of keep this up at the front. The one that I reach for the most, the Simpsons Revolution Face Palette. You cannot pry this out of my hands. I love this palette because I love the packaging, but also does come with a mirror. The powders in here are just so amazing. I've had it for years, but I cannot let this go. You can see, you can almost see like the imprint of the pan in the Bart shade, but I love the blush. I love the highlight. The highlight is very much like a pinky iridescent vibe. It's stunning, and then the bronzer just looks amazing on my skin. So I love this trio. So I just kind of keep both of these on hand. When I'm doing a pinky look, I'll go for the Simpsons, and then for that everyday kind of vibe, I'll go for the Halo. Kind of keep them at the front. It's like everyday makeup drawer situation. I only have one powder, which is the AWA Studio Flawless Press Powder. Girl, I literally just purchased this recently. I haven't even filmed my full face of Camo CC yet. At least I think I haven't. I don't know. I have to check. But girl, this is amazing. I have the one in M1. I just love using this product. It just works amazing with my skin type. I just really enjoy it. So that's what I have in here for powder. For setting spray, we have the Revolution Infinite Conceal and Define Setting Spray, which you guys know is a longtime favorite. I feel like I'm almost out of this product. It's feeling a little light, so that's why I have it in here. It's also really amazing on my skin, so I just go ahead and throw that on as well. We also have some really amazing products for my eyeliner. I have the waterproof eyeliner from e.l.f., which is amazing, and I know I'm gonna have a really intense wing that's giving, you know, all the vibes that I want. So this is amazing. You definitely have to shake it before use, but it's so good and it's just amazing. So let me go ahead and move this. Hold on. Next, we have the AWA Studio Flawless Jet Black Mascara, which honestly, is it the best in the world? No, I just think it's really cute and it goes with the vibes. And this is just the mascara that I've been reaching for some reason. So this is what I have in here. So this is basically the mascara that I'm trying to go through. It's actually really cute. And does it get the job done? Sure. Gives me a little bit of length, a little bit of volume, but I also do throw on eyelashes. So yeah, it's really cute. Before we get into the lip products, we have some brow products. I always reach for this. You guys know, girl, you know if you know. SHEGLAM Brows on Demand 2-in-1 Brow Pencil in the shade Chocolate. Comes with a micro brow side as well as a pen side. It's amazing, and this is what I use on the daily, and I have many backups. So that's what I have. And then to set them down, I always use the BeBella Browmination Clear Brow Gel, which is not so clear now. So good. Love this product. For lip liners, we have my EBIN NY Auto Lip Liners in the shade Brown and Dark Brown. You guys know I love these products. I always have to have them here. The liquid lipsticks that I reach for all the time, you cannot pry these out of my hand either, are the Melted Mattes from Too Faced. These are amazing, girl. I can wear these on their own. I can wear them with a gloss and they just look stunning. We have the shade Cool Girl and a pink one, which literally has rubbed away because I use these so often. So yeah, love these. A liquid lipstick that I added recently is a Smashbox, what are you called? Always On liquid lipstick in the shade Boss. This is so beautiful whenever I want to do that like boss woman, you know, feeling the vibes, red lipstick, but bam look. I throw on this shade here because it's just so beautiful. It just gives all the vibes. So I went ahead and threw this in here just in case I'm feeling that fantasy. And lastly, we have two lip glosses. We have the Fantastic Beauty and the Jolly Jojo Hot lip gloss, which both of them are from Temu. So we have this one in the shade Pretty Please, and then the nude one is in 05. So I love throwing this on with my pink lips. It's amazing. It's so beautiful. Such a nice formula. And then the Jolly Jojo whenever I do my nude glam. We have some like brown mixed in there, but it's stunning. Love these two. And that's pretty much it for my everyday makeup drawer. Those are all of the products that I have been loving and that I reach for on the daily. Let me know, do you use any of these products? What should I add in here? Let me know in the comments down below. I'm shocked that all of these are almost out, like especially this one, this here and stuff. It's so fun to use the products. Let me know again what's in your everyday makeup drawer. Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.